Alu-Rex, the leader in eavesdrop products, shows you how to install the T-Rex XLM 5800. The T-Rex XLM 5800 is designed to replace spikes and spaced hangers. It is an ultra-durable and continuous fastening system with integrated, highly effective eavesdrop leaf guards. The T-Rex XLM 5800 model is even more solid than the M5200 and is equipped with a drip edge that prevents the appearance of unsightly tiger stripes on the front of the eavesdrops. It is offered in several colors and has a lifetime warranty on material and performance. With T-Rex, your eavesdrops will never clog up, and that's a guarantee. Here's how to install the T-Rex XLM 5800. Do your regular measuring prep work for downspouts and corners. If the installation is in a coniferous area, use 3-inch by 3-inch or 3-inch by 4-inch downspouts as indicated in the Alu-Rex warranty. Do not ever put strainers in the downspouts. This would reduce the T-Rex's efficiency. Install the first T-Rex XLM 5800 length by inserting the back end first. Firmly press on the top of the product until you hear a click. Warning: do not press on the drip edge. This may cause a misalignment of the front of the product. If the end of the product is raised, make sure you put it back in place by lightly pressing on the drip edge toward the back so that the overlap is perfect. Install the following length, making sure to perfectly overlap both pieces. There can be no gap. Repeat this step with all remaining pieces. When you get to the end, cut the length at a right angle. The T-Rex must rest on the inside of the end cap to prevent overflow, and must not rest on top of the end cap. To cut at a straight angle, cut the back of the product and the membrane to the raised part. On the other side, cut the drip edge completely. Then make a small incision on top of the raised piece. All you need to do now is fold the aluminum and separate the two pieces. Once again, lightly press on the drip edge toward the back before installing the membrane. For corners, the edge of the product should be 3 to 4 inches away from the junction. The prefab corners will be installed once the eavesdrops are screwed to the house. Finally, you can secure the back of the product with your end cap crimpers. You are now ready to fasten the eavesdrops to the house. Insert the eavesdrop under the flashing. And screw in the back at 24-inch intervals using the screws supplied by Alu-Rex. Use Alu-Rex's magnetic bit to facilitate installation. Be careful, do not tighten the screws too much, as this may damage the self-sealing rubber gasket, which prevents water infiltration in the fascia. Here is how to install prefab corners. Once the eavesdrops are installed and the corners are sealed, install the prefab universal corners. These can be used on inside and outside corners. The use of these corners is essential to ensure the optimal efficiency of the product and the proper overlap of the drip edge. The corner is slightly bigger than the membrane to ensure a perfect fit. For optimal results, remove the corner screw. Insert the support bracket supplied with the corners under one of the pieces. Install the first part by pressing firmly on its top until you hear a click. Once again, make sure you don't press on the drip edge, which might cause a misalignment of the front of the product. Install the next piece on top, making sure there are no gaps. You may add screws to the overlapping parts if you deem it necessary. When installing an outside corner, the excess material must be cut at a right angle. At inside corners and valleys, install the supplied water diverters to prevent overflow. The water diverter must be installed directly on top of the perforated membrane and screwed in using the supplied screws. You may then install your downspouts as you usually would. If higher floor downspouts land in lower floor eavesdrops, you must insert the downspout through the surface of the T-Rex XLM 5800. To do this, cut an X, fold the corners toward the inside, and insert the downspout in the hole. This house is now equipped with the most solid and durable eaves trough fastening system on the market. Alu-Rex. Once and for all, it's the right choice.